Hello friend, welcome to Python. Today we will look about Python and what are the variable in Pythons. Isn't it? Pythons, it is a programming language that is used to connect with system or make conversation between user to the system. It is a high level language. It means it is just a GUI friendly. Means you can easily understand their syntaxes. If you write a print hello world, then you go for the run, it will come just like hello world, isn't it? Now today we will know about variable. So what is variable? Variable is nothing, it is just a bucket means we can store the value in this. See, if I make var one variable, in that we are making hello Saurabh, isn't it? So if you print var one, what will the output? It is just a hello Saurabh. So look, here it is printing hello worlds, and if you not save it, save, then we'll run it. See, here it will come hello Saurabh. If you like this video, please stay in this channel. We will give more content about Python.